One successful project that we recently completed was a BCR-ABL project for a client. We were already conducting a phase 1 clinical trial with them in our CLIA lab, and when they determined that their phase 2 was going to be their pivotal trial to FDA, we immediately launched into development of a PMA product.
We had essentially 16 months to pull together a pre-market application for FDA approval, and this had to be done in parallel with the submission of the drug.
With the BCR-ABL project, the regulatory side there was somewhat unique in that we were submitting a PMA for a test run at a single site, one single laboratory. And that was a laboratory developed test. The difference between most laboratory developed tests and this one is that it was to go to the FDA for approval.
We had to build all the systems and processes necessary to submit a PMA or FDA approved companion diagnostic. That included manufacturing and all the regulatory expertise to meet the FDA rigor.
I believe that our regulatory expertise here at MolecularMD really helped accelerate the project. There was a lot of interaction with the FDA, and it was very important to talk to them early in this process. Literally at each step of the process, we would go meet with them in what's called a pre-submission meeting. They would review our submission strategy and our validation plans, and then give us feedback on any improvements they would like to see.
We, in fact, did submit the PMA application at the same day of the drug, and the drug was eventually approved quite rapidly for a critical indication.
We have a very well organized and very dedicated staff, and we were able to meet the needs of this customer and produce accurate results as they needed us to do.
We're nimble, we're flexible, we have the experience. We can work very closely with our pharmaceutical partners and biotech partners and quickly develop what they need.